In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable text predictions while typing in Microsoft Word. Understanding how to turn off text predictions can help streamline your typing process, allowing you to maintain your writing style without interruptions. Predictive text is a feature that suggests words or phrases you might want to use as you type, and while it's often helpful, it can sometimes be distracting. So let's jump right in and see how you can turn off this feature effortlessly. First, we'll begin by opening up your Microsoft Word document. If you don't have one open yet, take a moment to start up Word and get that file opened on your screen. Once you're in your document, you'll want to look towards the upper left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the File tab. Clicking on this will open up a new menu. In this newly opened menu, scroll down a bit until you see the Options button. Click on Options, and you'll be taken to another window that controls the settings for your Microsoft Word. Now this is where we can dive into the settings that affect text predictions. Once you're in the Options menu, you'll want to find and click on the Advanced option on the left side of the window. It might feel like a bit of a deep dive, but hang in there, you're almost there. Within the Advanced options, there is a variety of settings, but the one we're looking for specifically is usually in the Editing Options section. There you'll spot the checkbox that says Show Text Predictions while typing. You'll want to make sure that this box is unchecked. Simply click on the box if there's a check mark in it, and it will clear out. By unchecking this box, you'll effectively turn off the text prediction feature, giving you more control over your typing experience in Word. Once you've unchecked the box, don't forget to click OK at the bottom of the settings window. This step is crucial because clicking OK applies your changes and closes the settings menu. Without clicking OK, none of the changes you made will take effect, and the predictions will still haunt you in your document. And there you have it, you're done. By following these simple steps, you now have full control over your typing environment. Whether you want to express your thoughts freely or prefer staying in the flow without interruptions, having text predictions turned off can be a small but significant improvement to your writing process. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or further issues, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Happy writing!